me.
Put your hands behind
Do
your
not
back.
touch me. I'm telling you.
This guy has mental health problems. You won't believe why so many police officers gathered. This guy got into trouble for the dumbest reason. The dog didn't even notice him.
I didn't want to do that.
It started as a routine conversation.
Man, my door.
Nothing out of the ordinary.
Destroyed. Yes, that's destruction of property.
Where is he currently?
He's currently in my area that I allowed him to stay in
How long has he been staying here?
for a few months now.
Okay. You have any weapons on you?
I am the weapon.
Deputy number 1 spoke with the tenant
I don't.
and others on the property.
Stay right
Just
here.
questions, just small talk.
Uh,
But then, something didn't sit right. During those conversations, a name came up. Clark. And with it, a possibility. A warrant. Now everything changes.
We're going to have a problem. He's a sovereign citizen and pretty big dude. Hey, come here. Come here. Elroy.
That's not my name.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is. You got a warrant for your arrest.
Calm down.
No one's calming
Don't
down?
listen to that man. Take off your glasses.
What is your name?
It's okay.
What's your name?
Take off. I told you, it's Ben Day.
It's not Ben Day. I got your picture pulled up, man.
That is
You're
not me.
Elroy.
That is not me.
Okay,
How are
well-
you going to tell me who I am?
'Cause I got proof. I got your picture.
That's proof?
I have your
That's
ID.
bullshit.
I have your ID.
That's bullshit. You got bullshit in your hands.
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen, I don't take
we're not
orders
doing
from
it.
you. Listen,
You're
do
about-
not touch me.
You're about to get tased.
For what? I am Ben Day. I'm on my
you have-
property. I'm not operating in commerce.
I'm going to tase you.
You tase me, it's gonna get hot in this bitch. Go ahead and do what you gotta do. Go ahead. Don't touch me though. You're not allowed to touch me.
Back up.
Maintain 1 arm distance from me for your own safety. and
Taser,
mine.
taser, taser.
Hey,
Tase him. Tase him.
You don't do that. I gave you everything in my power. Get the fuck off me. Don't touch me.
stay on the ground.
Do not touch me.
Get on the
I'm
ground.
telling you.
Let's make this peaceful.
This is peace and love. This is peace and love.
Come on, Elroy.
Then as everything shifts, Clark starts making disturbing demands.
Hands behind your back.
He tells deputy number 1 to hit him, even to shoot him. So they could see, the deputies don't escalate. They stay calm and keep talking, trying to get him to surrender peacefully. 5 long minutes pass, commands repeated over and
Go
over.
ahead and hit me with that and let it bend. And then you'll see.
Back up.
Hit me with that and
Back
bend.
up.
It's right here. It's okay.
Back up.
Hit me right here.
Ben Day.
Hit me. I'm
But
going.
Clark
Back up.
doesn't comply.
I'm giving you permission
now,
to show you.
The situation is on the edge.
Hey, do not go on my grass. Get off my grass. Get off my grass. Tell him to get off my grass.
He's been tased twice and sprayed.
Tell him.
Get on the ground. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Get him. Fucking tase me, motherfucker.
All right.
Yeah, bro.
He's up. He's up. No, tase, tase.
No. I'm Ben Day. Get off. I'm Ben Day.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Stay down. Stay down.
I'm Ben Day.
The standoff can't last forever.
This is a beanbag. You don't want this. Trust me.
Deputy number 1 gives a final warning.
Listen.
Get on the ground.
Get on the fucking
You don't want this.
Clark doesn't move. The first beanbag round is fired,
You get
then
one
another.
later. Less lethal. Less lethal. Less lethal. Get on the ground. Get on the
They
ground.
strike him, but he doesn't go down. The less lethal rounds have little effect. And then, the situation explodes.
Fucking ground, dude. The next thing. Get on the ground.
Ben Day.
Get on the ground. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Shots fired. 428. Shots fired.
Hey, look at me. No. Come on, face this way, deep breath. Deep, no, me.
Come on.
I got you.
You're good. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do that. You had no choice.
You're fine.
I'm good. I'm breathing.
At first, it looks serious. Dozens of officers are standing still, watching something with intense focus. Even the K9 is locked in. They move in slowly, carefully. Whatever's ahead feels big. Then, a figure appears behind a tree. But here's the real question. Was all of this an overreaction? It starts in seconds. Glass shattering, shelves getting cleared. A man storms into a vape shop and grabbing everything he can carry. Someone already made the call. 911 is on the line.
And you said he stole a couple of items?
Yeah, he stole a couple of things and broke some stuff, and then he just walked out and left. Didn't say anything to me.
The officers arrived and, following a tip, found him hiding.
Show me your hands! Back here! In the backyard of the red barn! Show me your fucking... I'm gonna shoot you! I'm gonna shoot you! Back up, yes! Back up! 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 Back up!